What if I told you that fluency isn't just a key to mastering English? That's the real secret. Lies in mind, not your mouth. Most people speak English, very few actually think in English. Right now, millions of people are memorizing vocabulary, taking grammar classes, repeating after native speakers. But when it is time to speak, they freeze, they translate, they overthink because they are not thinking in English, they are surviving it. But here's the true thinking in English isn't a talent, it is a trainable skill. And today I will show you the exact mental training to rewrite your brain step by step so that English becomes your default inner voice. Let's begin. Silence the native speaker. Your brain is like a radio. Right now, it is turned to your native language. Step 1. Turn down that volume. How? Flood your eyes with English. Watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts. No subtitles, no translation. Let your brain tackle, let it adopt. This is how immersions begin. Right now, look around you. Chair, light, fan, phone, book. Say it in English out of loud or in your head. This rewrites your daily thoughts. In fact, your brain to see the words through English. Start small, repeat often. Mastery begin in the mountains. Think of your brain as a neighbor. Instead of thinking, say, I'm walking, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm opening the fridge. This build a new internal monopoly. That's one active, fluent and automatic. Let this sink in. People who think in English don't speak perfectly. They speak boldly. Even Steve Jobs said, don't let the noise of others' opinion down of your own inner voice. That case perfection. Chase process. Each mistake you make is a branch of your fluency. Words are not just sound, they are image. So don't just say, I'm going to walk. Visualize it. See yourself walking in the office, hear your boss speaking English, feel the conversations. Multisensory English sticks deeper. 7-day inner monocle challenge. For the next 7 days, talk to yourself in English, in your head, in the shower, on your work, before you sleep. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't switch to your native language. Stick with it. By day 7, your brain will start defaulting to English automatically. Thinking in English isn't just about speaking, it is about transforming. Every time you train your thoughts in English, you are not just learning a language, you are becoming a new version of yourself. Language don't live in textbooks, they live in brain, they live in identity, and from today, English will start living in you. Ready to rewrite your brain even deeper? Then don't stop here.